This video made for education purpose only. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos like this. If you are only a little bit familiar with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, your exposure to it has probably relied on industry press reports extolling its suitability as a server operating system. There is no doubt that it is indeed superb for this purpose. Don't make the mistake, though, of thinking that this is all it is good for. Red Hat Enterprise Linux comes with a full range of powerful and secure server applications. Secure by industry standards, although security is a process, not a state of being. It also comes with powerful, attractive, and easy-to-use graphical desktops and a wide range of productivity applications, communications tools, and yes, even amusements, which make it an ideal client or peer operating system as well. Your network may be a mixed marriage of machines of different architectures and operating systems. For instance, your graphics design department would probably rather paint with their fingers on a cave wall than use anything other than a Macintosh. Meanwhile, your legacy applications, boilerplate documents, and relations with paying customers dictate that you maintain one or more Windows machines. In these cases, choose a client-server arrangement with a secure Red Hat box serving as a firewall between your network and the outside world, a mail server. It is now easy with Linux to filter out email attachments of the sort that have caused so much disruption of Windows networks in recent years, a web server if in that milieu, and even perhaps a print server. So many peer functions can be performed on a mixed network. Your job as system administrator is much easier if you undertake the more straightforward client-server approach with a mixed installation.
Thanks for watching this tutorial.